in general, the market is positive, so the mood is good. And we've opened in the green a tad bit, really. I mean, you'd have to say it's absolutely quiet at the moment. Nifty now inching into the red. The Bank Nifty down about 70-odd points. So subdued start, you'd have to say, for the markets. Let's start with the loser, since what's dragging the market is the Bank Nifty, down about 100 points there, led by ICICI Bank, Indices Bank, and a couple of others in the financial space as well. Cipla is your top loser, down about 2.5%. Divis Labs and Pharma. So the entire pharmaceutical space is under a bit of pressure this morning. Reliance Industries is down about 0.2% as well, so not looking pretty good. And some of the IT names, TCS, Tech Mahindra, are also inching into the red. The market is very quiet, really, just consolidating around that resistance level of 18,300. Your top gainer this morning is Tata Motors, 3% higher. Now Tata Motors is about 37% higher for the year. And that is, a solid, that's the biggest Nifty gainer this year, by the way. The 52-week high is 500. Okay, we are at a fresh 52-week high right now at 532 for Tata Motors. So looking pretty solid there. The other big gainers include Bajaj Auto, MotoCorp, M&M. So the entire auto pack has looked very good. Eicher Motors, after last week's strong performance, is up another 0.6%. It's largely rate sensitives that are doing well. And then you have something like an HPCL post its good set of numbers, looking good. L&T is up in the green. HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank also in the green right now. So you'd have to say not a bad opening at all. There was an initial dip that we began with, and that dip has gotten bought into. Now the Nifty is inching higher. 18,300 has been conquered with quite a bit of ease. And mid-caps also not such a bad showing.
Well, that's right, Sonia. In fact, on the Nifty itself, we have moved in a broad 60-point band in just the first minute or so. So let's see how this one goes, but we're heading towards that congestion zone. From the broader markets, VSC Tillers, numbers were very, very good. We'll be joined by the management in the next 20 minutes or so, so just stay tuned for that conversation. Numbers look good, stock up 10%. AMI Organics as well, those numbers look pretty good. Margin improvement after a while. They're delivering on the revenue front. The stock is up close to 1.5%. We'll be joined by that management as well in the next 20 minutes or so. Stocks that are moving around. Manappuram, big bounce back. It's up close to around 4%, reacting to its numbers. DLF as well, up close to 1.5%, and HPCL as well, up 1.5%. On the flip side, you have Max Financial that's down close to around 2.5%. Gujarat Gas is pulling back a little bit, down close to around 1.5%. And I'm not sure why, but we have a couple of other notable names. I think Rainbow as well had opened up. Rainbow Medicare. Those numbers look quite good. The stock is up close to around 3.5% odd. So though the mid-cap index is more or less flattish, there are plenty of stocks that are moving around. The Nifty, for starters, well in the green.
Well, it was absolutely flat. Now we're up almost 40 points. So this is an improvement. But this is the first 2 minutes of trade. Home First is down a full 5%.
Large trade, 50 lakh shares.
Yeah, there's a big volumes are tremendous. But I'm not sure whether this is private equity investors. I mean, with a lot of these smaller housing finance companies, PEs own a lot of stake, and the concern for some time has been that not concern but overhang that they will continue to monetize over a period of time. Big volumes, and the stock's down 5.34. We'll get you more details. Adani Enterprises is down about 1.6, 1.7. It's a number 2 in terms of volumes. Vedanta is down 2%. D-Mart, we highlighted that, 3.5 lower. I was talking about Cipla, where numbers are underwhelming, 2% lower, 918. Balrampur Chini is down 2%. Sonata Software is down 5.25%. Sanofi is coming up with a 3% cut. Volumes are decent for this time of the day for a name like that. Data Patterns is down about 4% or so. And you've got Ethos, which is down 8.5%. So this is, the losers list. And of course, on the upside, you've got Tata Motors right up there. And volumes in Tata Motors are tremendous once again, even for a stock like that, but at this point of the day. RVNL, Manappuram is up 4%, 114. Manappuram, from the lows of 100 rupees when that news on ED searches first broke, it's up 14-15%. Intellect is up 3%. Intellect had a big, almost 10% move on Friday on the back of numbers which came through Thursday evening. Numbers are solid and the stock continues to move higher. Zensar Tech is up 3.5. GE Shipping, management was just on 7% now. Started up 3.5, but now a full 7% or so. So things are, there's enough happening on both sides of the spectrum. Market breadth early, but 1,050 stocks are higher. 850 stocks are lower at this point in time.